especially getting up. I'm going to be doing, I guess, Sunday reset. Amari's awake. Say hi, Amari. Say hi. He got cereal, and we are about to make my bed. Amari's eating cereal from this little thing. He gets cereal all over the floor, but I'll pick it up. So, yeah. So, you'll see our Sunday. Yeah. So, let's go make the bed. He just likes seeing his stuff on camera, but all right, let's go. Alright, y'all, usually all I have to do is really make my bed, and I spray Lysol everywhere because me and Amari, we're not sick, but, you know, we're getting better, so I want to keep it that way. But yeah, Sunday reset really is just my bed. I normally clean every day because I have Amari. But yeah, just bed and spray. Everything else is cool. This is Mari's room. I clean up at night, so it's usually not messy. I literally just have to make his bed, take his old milk from last night out of here. But yeah, y'all see me make his bed, and I gotta cut his toenails. But yeah, let's get started on that. Let's cut your toes. Your toenails. You gotta turn to mama so I can cut them. Can we cut your toes? They're long. Can you turn around to mama? Can you come to mama? Let's turn to mama. Oh. Look at these toes. Good job. You did good on your big toe. Can we do the other one? Can I do the other one? Can we do the other one? Come here, Mari. Well, we'll see how that goes. We're gonna do this off camera because they need to be done. I have yet to make this boy's bed, but I have cut his toenails. I have to like let him play with my little tripod stand thing. And now he's not destroyed his room, but has taken things out. He normally don't really play in here. I'll bring out his little basket in the living room. Y'all see that in a minute. But, and I'm trying to think. I need to go to the grocery store. Haven't been in the mood to sit. Not even go to the grocery store. I need to just do an Instacart order. But it's like I have to sit and really plan, like, when am I going to cook? Because cooking for Amari, his dad, and me, like, we don't be having leftovers. Like, I don't know. It's like maybe I need to cook more. I think that needs to be my goal, to just make more. Like I'm gonna say we have leftovers, but it's like barely. Like it'll be leftovers for his dad to take to work, and then it's like I have to cook again. And your girl, I don't like to cook. Granted, his dad knows how to cook good, but still. But anywho, we're sitting here. He's playing, having a great time. But I am about to make his bed, take his little toy thing out here, and then he comes in his room and gets stuff if he wants. But yeah. And I didn't think about what I could make that I have available here because I'm still not doing an Instacart order. My mind is not prepared. I've been on vacation. I go back to work tomorrow, Monday. So, once, I go back to work, living back my normal life of freaking work, then I think I'll be cool. Like, I'll be back in the groove of things. We're going to have, like, a little snowstorm tonight till tomorrow. I mean, we got food to eat. But, like, yeah. We're going to see. We're going to see what I come up with. Y'all see. So, I'm just going to do my Sunday. Sunday reset, Sunday vlog, Sunday, yeah, just Sunday. We're going to see how our Sunday goes. You all right, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You want to be seen? Okay, we're not taking off our clothes. But, yeah, so we'll just see. I told myself 2025, I'm just going to pick up the camera. Like, we haven't been doing anything since I've been on vacation. I just want to be at home, rest, and when Amari semi-rest, because he does take a nap. He might give me one, and then sometimes he gives me two. But for the most part, Amari's up playing, eating, snacking, making a mess. So I'm always cleaning up a mess and trying to watch TV, but it don't work. So my vacation is just Amari time. So, yeah. But going back to work tomorrow, the house is always clean because I make sure by the end of the night it's vacuumed and everything's put up for the most part. So, yeah. But, yeah, Sunday we're just going to clean up a bit and see where the day takes us, even though we're in the house. I haven't left the house since January 1st. But it's only, January 4th? So, it ain't that bad. I don't leave the house that often unless I got something to do because, like, what else am I doing? But next week I am going to visit my family. I miss them. Also, me and my best friend are going to try to plan to see each other. She misses me and Amari. So, yeah. So, next week, y'all get some vlogs of me doing something. But, But I'm just going to pick up the camera. Like, whenever I just feel, even if I'm not doing that, y'all might want to see it. So, after, we're going to just start picking up the camera. Like I said, 2025, Janice's goal is pick up the camera. No matter what. If I think you want to see, don't want to see, we're just going to record. Even if it's shorts, TikToks, whatever, short little things, we're going to post it because why not?
Then baby, it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My newbies look like Halle Berry.
Just been sitting on the couch. I think my next thing is going to be putting on some clothes for Amari. He's just going to have some sweatpants and a t-shirt. And I might put a bib on him because he's been slobbering because he is teething. He's getting teeth in the back, which surprisingly he ain't been too moody with that. I heard they hurt when they come in. But yeah, I'm about to pick him out some clothes, show y'all, and get him dressed. It's only 10 something, but I feel like excuse me, I like to get up, get things done, and then just chill, So we're gonna get him dressed, and then, yeah. I get dressed once he takes his first nap, but yeah. Alright, so this is his outfit. I think they're like navy sweatpants, a gray little shirt, some socks. Also, Amari doesn't get a bath every day because he has dry skin right now because of the weather. And I have just got this maybe a few days ago, so I like wipe them off and put this on. My sister's baby, our doctor, because we got the same one, recommended this. And they say it's worked. First off, it was $21, I think, so it better be working. But I can tell, like, it soothes his skin. But this is like cream. I think I might get lotion too. But they both expensive. If you guys have any other recommendations, let me know. It doesn't look like he has eczema. His skin is just dry. But it's like, if you feel it, it's soft. But it's like a little bit like bumpy, kind of like a little bumpy. But it's not really rough. It's hard to explain. But I'm still testing this out. So I can't say if it works or not.
Then baby, it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My newbies look like Tyler Perry.
Amari having some lunch. He had fish sticks and french fries and his apple juice. And he's watching Blippi and Miss Rachel combine. And then I just leave his little cereal because he normally eats that throughout the day. Like as a snack and stuff. Even though I give him snacks too. But I just keep that in for the whole day until night. But yeah, this is his setup. Enjoying. Update on our Sunday. I've taken a shower. Amari has ate his lunch. I literally have just vacuumed. He's coming over here because he has to be in the camera. It's so crazy that he is, about to be 15 months and he already knows about the camera and likes to look at himself. You think you cute? You think you cute? But yeah, he's going to be climbing on me as I'm trying to talk. But yeah, y'all saw us cleaning in the morning. He had his lunch. He took a nap and then I gave him lunch. And then what else? I've showered. I just vacuumed because anytime after Amari eats, high chair or not, I have to vacuum after him. But yeah, I've been watching a TV show called The Dirty A because I watched this TV show called Dirty D. Okay. The Dirty D. And so now I'm watching Dirty A. It's like not similar, but similar, if that makes sense. One is in Detroit and this one's in Atlanta. But it's about like music, producing. The Dirty D is kind of about a strip club. So they different, but I think kind of giving the same vibes. But yeah, I just want to update y'all on our Sunday. All right, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. All right, no bye-bye. All right, y'all, this is going to be Sunday's dinner. There's chicken. I seen it on TikTok or Instagram. And then we're going to have it with some rice and some corn. I wanted green beans, but we ain't got none. So, yeah, that's going to be dinner. I'm about to put it in the oven right now. All right, y'all. We got the rice going. I put in here. We did instant rice. I have regular rice, too, but I don't feel like doing all that. Well, we ate our chicken, rice, and corn. Amari actually did really good. He ate chicken. He's getting sleepy because he didn't have a second nap. So yeah, I'm gonna wipe him off and put on his PJs. I'm gonna try to vacuum because after Amari eats, I might try to share on the floor. It's a mess. So I normally pick up the big pieces and then vacuum everything up. And then I clean up his toys. Oh, he's sleepy. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get him dressed first. But yeah, let's get the night started for him. All right, y'all, big baby is asleep. But I want to get up and show y'all it's snowing here. Like, we're supposed to have bad snow tonight, so tomorrow. So I just want to show y'all. But honestly, I feel like the wind is making it look really bad. But I'm going to show y'all. But yeah, big baby is asleep. I am having some wine. And I literally put on favorite Flav. or Flavor of Love, I should say, because just cause I don't have nothing to watch. I mean, I probably do have things to watch, but I just want to watch trash reality TV. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll go to bed. Your girl works tomorrow, so that's my life. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching our Sunday. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.